Okay, I've got a small helper that just crawled out of the frame. Went out to the range today with my Forbes 24B and did some, got a really nice group at 220 yards. And then shot at the 315 and 420 ranges. And at steel, just to see. And a lot of fun. I've been fooling around with my editing equipment and realized I can do a couple of things. I can play it normally, I can magnify, I can slow it down and do slow-mo, and or I can magnify and do slow-mo. So I've done all of those things. So number one, normal. Hit. Number two, magnify. Okay. Hit. Number three, slow motion. Number four, slow motion and magnified. And those were all shot from my Olympus Tough One with this little adapter head that goes on my Leica 65mm Televid spotting scope. So quite amazing quality, actually. Thanks for watching. I'm going to use this kind of stuff to liven up my videos from here on in. I'm getting kind of excited by the possibilities. So stay tuned. Higher production values, is it possible?